Icy! It gets cold here!
Man, it's so cold in my entire fucking life. We're just chilling. A little group run. I just don't fucking know, man. My brain just hurts. Good New Zealand. I'm gonna fucking New Zealand tomorrow. I'm going to New Zealand tomorrow. It's like Zoe Bird. How fucking big my forehead is. Oh my god. I fell on my forehead as a child. I'm just on my run, vibing. I have my soluble coffee with little milk pods. Love it, love it. It's very, very stressed. That keeps happening on this trip. I get very stressed, and then I go on a run. I feel so much better. This is my tray. Well, the just seeing what happens continues. I'm now in Kiri, which I was not expecting. It is Wednesday with my bike at Pivotal. Peepy and Larry, full name. These had a rough journey, guys. All right. It's all there. Good jacket. This little jacket. The weather may be shit, but at least it's still light out at 6 p.m. Really big face. Time to get rid of this box. Well, it took way too long to figure this out, but more or less this is what the bike looks like at the beginning of the trip. So Thursday, December 8th, I'll show you my watch. Do a little test ride from Kiri to Paihe. Hopefully there's a hostel there. It's raining so much. I'm so nervous. My brain is starting to hurt again. I'm just like, fuck. But I went on a run this morning. That was good. I think we're getting close to town. This is so cool. Definitely off piste. Wow, first official day. It's made it from Highway 1 to the stream to the ocean. Camping because I got a late start today. I wasn't even gonna start. I was gonna start tomorrow, but I don't know the tides, man. That's how it worked out. Here we go. Wish me luck. Let's go, dogs. Made it to camp for the first night. God, look at this sweat. This is crazy. So I got hella sunburned. But oh, I need something tent so I can eat. And there's a kitchen here. How cool is that? Never guess what I'm making. Let me show you. I'm making tuna quesadillas, except with pita pockets, because that's what I have. Oh, fucking go. There's a dead shark. It's a dead shark. Wow. You know, because the roadkill is sharks and stingrays. There's my tent. Cool, soaked to the bone. This is great. I'm having such a great time. I'm like so dry right now. Like there's absolutely no moisture. It's like drier than Denver here, guys. So great. So great.
Okay, so looking at your bed here, what was it? 8. That's pretty nice.
It's just so weird because that's kind of like a P&W tree. And then it's like a rainforest. And there's a cow up on a hill. What? Palm trees. Jesus Christ. See it, man. beginning of day 3 or 4. It's actually sunny today. I think there's some cows fighting down there. So, yeah, keep pedaling, man. Currently in the Windows backdrop, but there's kind of a nice view. It had a burger, fried potato wedges, an egg, ketchup, which I think I like ketchup now, fuck, and mayonnaise, and I love mayonnaise. They're gonna keep riding, bye. But, so dog. I'm at a hostel, did a half day today. I think tomorrow's a rest day. It's supposed to be a thunderstorm, it's supposed to be shit weather today, but it's like really nice. I'm like, fuck, I should be cycling. I'm not, because I'm dead. I've been taking a shower since Saturday, it's Tuesday. I haven't washed my hair since Thursday. Are you ready to see? Oh, okay. Anyway. Oh man, I really ought to be going on a pack. It's just so dirty. Stop, it just finished a 77-mile day. Yeah, I'll see how tomorrow goes. You know, I'm at this Airbnb, so I also bought these Aztec, no, Anzac, oh this is so gross, biscuits, arm stands. That felt kind of cool, I don't know. And I broke another pair of headphones. Sup, dude? Check this out. Look like fucking trash. It's so gross, but look. Damn, dog. Oh my god. Sup? Coordinating towel fit. Dude, do you know, like, it looks wet, like my skin? It's fucking blisters, and it goes all the way down. Like, it starts there. Big. Oh, fuck. Hoping for more days like today. It did rain. I got soaked, but that's okay. Made good progress. It felt really good. Have good food. Have a nice Airbnb. I like camping, but you don't have to rep it every night. I'm gonna keep doing this for a while, I think. Good morning. It's the morning of day 7. I think it's about to climb that. Oh, there's Auckland! It's out there! Look at that. It's not raining. Amazing. And I got this Powerade, but I wrote it. I don't know. Like, tell me this does not look like Sketch Valley. I'm out of breath. Day 9. It smells so good. It's crazy. Here at Airbnb and in Mata. Soup. Quesadilla with old cheese. The toaster. Cows and Hobbit movie set. Someone right there. Wow. Check it out. Good morning. Today started out rough. I was really depressed last night. And I woke up and I was crying. But then I just lifted. And I feel so good. There's a big hill coming up. I'm a little nervous. Just enjoying this beautiful green. Those cows, look at them. Oh, man. Got a mechanical on the single track, but it's sunny. Going crazy. I fixed the mechanical. My hands are so gross. I decided to have a snack, but then I dropped it on the ground. This is a weird single track out here, but you know, we're vibing. Oh my god, so long. Oh, that's close. Day 11. Sunny. I'm at the top of the timber trail. You know, some snacks before I send it. I'm flying. Fuck. Oh, I almost hit the guardrail. I almost hit the guardrail. Okay. Oh fuck, I need to stop taking a video. This is crazy though. Finally got your dam. Alright. I can't see anything. Oh my god. I'm gonna die. This shit's wild. Oh my god, big girl. Booyah! So cool. I was just up there. Very cool. Good morning. Although it's almost noon. Day 12. I feel like my brain has a fucking weighted blanket on it. It's so weird. It's like Aotearoa. But I've been debating whether today should be a chill day. I mean, it's been a chill day. I should stop pretty soon. Oh, Monoi. I think I will. I feel good to keep going, but leave the party while you're still having fun, you know? A little beat up from Timber Trail, which was very cool. I got a bike. Yeah, I got giant ass windows. I got a shower. The best part about staying in Airbnbs. Oh my god, the creepy. It's having the table fit. Oh, I bet it's so. Anyway. Dude, I had to throw away my hair stuff because I lost it. My rack fell. What am I saying? It's past 8 p.m. and it's still this light out. And there's a fucking double rainbow. So cool. Cool. Sup, dog? I don't know what brand of mattress this is. It's pretty damn comfy, so I've just been herding these sheep for a while. I don't know where they're taking me. I think they're herding me, TBH. So yeah, fun times. Bye guys. Morning. Well, afternoon now, but check this place out. Just going on to Mataihi. This morning was like a fever dream. It was like all foggy. I was listening to Lingus by Snarky Puppy. We're rolling through these hills and I could barely see because of all the fog, but it was really cool. There was like a gray rainbow. At the bottom were like two Shire ponies. There was like a fucking emu. And I was like herding sheep. I don't know. I'm gonna keep pedaling. I feel so high right now, but I'm sober. I have to pee. Damn. It's just crazy out here. Did I put in my teeth? Probably. It's just crazy. This fucking little hardtail took me here. What? Just past Jerusalem. Already in fucking London. Also Renata. Do they have ramen? Operation Catch Fairy Day 1 complete. Look at this cookie. Oh my god. I'm shaking. Oh my god, I'm so hungry. It's very nice out here. I want to eat this now. I'm probably gonna go make some tuna quesadillas soon, so that's gonna be good. The air is so fucking crisp out here. You see this? Jesus fucking Christ. Howdy, howdy. Isn't that cool? Look at all those sheep and cows. It's day 14. It's the afternoon. I'm already 55 miles in. Almost. Trying to cruise the Hunterville. It was raining, but now it's not. I don't know. I'm so tired. This is... Oh, it's really hot. Good morning, Vietnam. Pukey is down. You see Pukey? There he is. Day 15. I had to pee so bad. I didn't brush my teeth yet today. They seem to be farming deer. It's really nice out here. It's supposed to get real shit later though, so I gotta keep trucking. Got a solid 70 miles to go. Out here eating a tuna chip and cheese wrap. There's some sheep somewhere. Took a piss. Cheers. So I'm at this Airbnb. There's Pukey. I felt bad about stopping, but in the last mile it started raining and now it's like pouring, so maybe it's okay. The bed here. Thai cereals. I'm gonna have so much cereal. Cookies, yogurt, butter, juice, water, milk, peaches. God damn, and bread. Real nice. Nice. Good afternoon. I am very late. 16? I'm over 100 miles in. Almost to Martinborough. Got a thunderstorm. Got caught in some sunstorm. I have food poisoning or something. Or PMS. I don't know. All in the day. Oy vey. Oh yeah. Hi Pukey. I'm just walking and eating this like cake. This packaging reminds me of those toys. I'm looking forward today. Got 99 kites to the ferry tomorrow. It's gonna be hilly. Gotta start at like 4 a.m. This is a cool little winery down though. Of course it's sunny now and I'm on a bike. I got fucking soaked. Sometimes I get a little stressed being out here. I hear about all this drama in Denver and living. I was gonna eat my cake. Did I already say this packaging reminds me of those toys? I'm a little wine drunk. Some good tacos, but I'm still hungry, so it's yogurt time. Merry Christmas. Look at this. Day 17. Wow. I mean, I just farted. Again. Anyways, this is pretty cool. Not gonna lie. Okay, I gotta keep pedaling. I got your ferry. Just made it through the last tree tunnel. That was so fucking creepy. It was so long and dark. Pretty cool here, so. Alright.